This is the best time for you to start trading Forex or learning how to trade the financial market. And in this video, I'll be giving you guys 3 reasons why this is. So first thing first, why this is the best time to start trading Forex. The number one reason I will give is minimum deposit. So when I was actually starting in the Forex market, I think the minimum deposit then was actually $100. I mean, $100. A lot of people can't actually afford an $100 account, during that period, because $100 is kind of like 75,000 naira in my country, which is kind of like expensive for most people. I mean, this is even more than minimum wage. But currently now, we have a minimum deposit as low as $1. I mean, guys, can you imagine $1? That is about what, 700 naira. So we have a minimum deposit about $1. I think before it was probably $10, but now it's now as low as $1. So you can actually deposit $1 in the Forex market to actually test test your strategy or something like that in the Forex market. And using some brokers too. Some brokers even allow you to trade cent account. Cent account in the sense that you can actually turn a $1 account into an $100 account. So they just maximize it using leverage or, kind of like a programming stuff to actually, make your account bigger. So with $1, you can actually get a cent account worth 100 cents. And the account will be like you're trading an $100 account. So the minimum deposit is one major reason why you should get into the Forex market now. Because, when I was actually starting, this was not provided for us. I mean, if you don't have $100, you can't trade the Forex market. Before it was brought down to $10, and now it's as low as $1. So you should try that, guys. So the second reason why this is the best time to trade Forex is prop firms. So prop firms are here, guys. I mean, for you to be able to get an account size up to $1 million in the Forex market using prop firm is like a great deal. I mean, when I was initially starting Forex, there were no prop firms. If there were even prop firms, there were probably one or two. And the one I was actually familiar with after growing the Forex market was FTMO. But now there are tons of prop firms. MFF, FTMO, consummate traders, TFF. There are plenty of prop firms now. And with a little amount, you can actually maximize your account size. With a little amount as low as $50, you can get a 5K challenge account. And once you pass, you get your $5,000. This opportunity was not actually there when we were starting the Forex market. And that's why I feel, now is probably the best time for you to get into Forex, because there are a lot of prop firms out there and they're trying to beat each other in the Forex market. So using the prop firm markets now, you can get accounts from different prop firms and you can actually maximize that to $2 million or even $3 million. I know some people that actually, get 200K account, 400K account, 500 account, till they get to a particular amount that they are satisfied with. And making 1% or even 10% from a $1 million account or even a 100K account is like a big deal. And this was not actually available when I was starting Forex. And now there are a lot of prop firms out there. And, when there's competitions, they are actually bringing deals to beat one another. And I'm sure that, over the years now, it will tend to reduce. Like in the coming years now, you will actually be getting accounts for about $20 or even $30. So this is probably, the best time for you to trade in the Forex market because of prop firms. So the third one, guys, will be free content. There are a lot of free content out there now, probably on YouTube, Instagram, all the social media platforms basically. Every traders, are trying to educate other traders now currently, because when I was actually starting the Forex market, there were no, like, Forex wasn't that saturated. It was not like everybody knew Forex then, but currently now, the population has increased and there are tons of free content now on YouTube and everywhere. So there are the good and bad sides. There's the good and bad side of this, because, as Forex is not saturated, there are a lot of strategies out there, and, people actually get attached to shiny stuff. If there's new strategy, you see a lot of people rush down there to actually check what the new strategy is all about. And I believe that, many beginner traders actually make this mistake. So they take a strategy today, then they come back in the Forex market, take another strategy, probably after taking 2 or 3 losses again. They say that this strategy is no more working. Then they go on YouTube again and check for another strategy. And they see another strategy and they continue doing that all over and again. And at the end of the day, you just find out that, you are not actually profitable. So one advice I will give you, when looking for free content out there, is to stick to one person. Like, stick to one mentor. If you want to learn, stick to one person, because I believe that mentor will actually have his own strategy. And if you attach yourself to the mentor, you actually grab, what he's actually doing with his strategy, and, how he initially, change his strategy with the market condition. If the market is, acting chubby or something like that, it's not favorable with his strategy, there's a way you actually, tweak or change your strategy to go with the market condition instead of you changing it entirely or going to look for another mentor to follow. So free content has its good and bad side, so don't forget, guys. So that's the third thing I believe that you guys to know, for you to know that this is the best time to actually trade forex. So guys, that will be everything. Yeah, so if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like I said, like and share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.